We give our heartfelt gratitude to the CSC President, Dr. Minerva I. Morales, to the academic and administrative officials of CSC, to the nursing service of EBMC headed by the OIC Chief Nurse, Mrs. Del Rosario, to Father Ed, and to the St. Cecilia's Choir, to our former Dean, Professor Fermina Ong, to Professor Crescencio Arcilia for the beautiful song numbers. Special thanks is of course given to the parents and guardians for the endless support and encouragement you give to your children who are our students. A special mention is also given to the advisor of this occasion, Dr. Alvin C. Ogalesco, to the all-out support of the faculty members of the Midwifery and Nutrition Department, to the chairman and members of the different working committees, and to the fourth-year BSN students for the assistance, to the voice of Miss Angelica Terrasola as the spirit of nursing, and to Miss Nightingale, Miss Mary Antoinette Rodriguez, to our guests, and to each and everyone who have played a part for the success of this affair, thank you so much. The third part of this affair would be the dinner at the CSC Gymnasium. And on behalf of the Dean and the faculty members of the College of Health Sciences and of Class 2014, we invite you to share with us in the banquet the juniors have prepared. This has been your host, Professor Marilyn B. Panty. A pleasant evening to everyone. We shall now have the group picture taking before the individual picture taking. May we please invite Dr. Morales, Mrs. Del Rosario, Dr. Santelices,